So we are solving this particular question over here. This is how to do it. We are only using this calculator. So first of all, you have to punch these two over here. Here is our 2. It's left with power, this power over here. So how to do it? You first punch this sign. When you punch it, then this sign 2. After that, you have to punch 2x plus 1 in the root sign over there. So here is our 2. How to get the x? You have to punch this alpha and then x symbol. So to get x, then plus 1. After that, you double tap this sign. How to get the equal sign? You have to press alpha and then equal sign over here to get your equal sign, then 32. After that, you won't come and press this equal sign over here, but rather shift and then this solve. The calculator will ask you solve for the x. So when solve for x, you are going to enter equal to. You wait for a while, the answer will come. So here is our answer. The x value here is what? 2. So it's 12. So you come here. Is the 12 here? If the 12 is here, then our answer is what? D. Then we have had it correct. Thank you for your time.